Hey guys, it's your girl, Miss Queen and Nyla here, back at it again. And today, we are going to be making slime, but only just a little bit because this face mask is for my face. So I'm only just going to be using a little bit. So, not a lot, just a little. Sorry guys that you can't see, but it's how much I'm using. But you guys are like, that's nothing. I can make that more than that in my sleep. But like I said, don't want to make a lot because for my face. So, it's not a lot, but something I can work with. And I like to use Tide because I'm going to dye it blue anyways. So I'm going to do a little drop. And I'm going to mix it with this stuff already forming. About to be done. See? So this also works with borax, but it might take a little longer than this did to form. It took like 2 seconds for this to form. It's kind of like clear. iPhone said it might die at 10%, but I don't care. And it is done, guys. So yes, this slime does work, and I showed you guys every step of me even pouring it. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and sorry if it was so short, but I might go lay down to take a nap for a bit. So yeah. Trying to get everything out. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Even though I just told you to do it again. Make sure you hit it, okay? Leave a comment down below, and I'll be doing some shout-outs to the first one who comments. So, yeah. Peace. Love you guys.